Hello and welcome to my channel, The Day Tradester. I look every day through a list of right now 135 stocks that I plan on holding long term for years even to see if any indicators have been triggered by any of the particular equities to tell me whether it's time to buy or sell. So the first thing that I do every day is I go through my list here. That's on the my watch list on the left is the list of all of the equities that I have in this particular strategy, and I again see if any indicators have been triggered, and I compile the list both into a sell list and a buy list, so I can perform each function separately. I can make all of my sells and I can make all of my purchases in groups. Now, the reason that I need to make all of my sells first is if you look in the upper left hand corner, you'll see my actual balance that I have to actually trade with is only about $3,000. So I need to sell all my equities in order to make enough money from those purchases in order to be able to, or those sells rather, in order to make enough purchases to maximize all of the money that I have available to spend. My goal is to spend every dollar that I have. To those who are seeing my videos for the first time, the intention that I have here as just a day trader, I am not in any way a financial advisor. I'm just somebody who started 2 years ago thinking that I might be able to make a little bit of money in the stock market. And after a year and a half, I've come up with a actual successful strategy that works for me much better than when I at first started trying to day trade with purchasing large volumes of one or two stocks with the majority of the money that I had available. And that I was successful, but I also had some failures. And I think the volume might be a little too loud on my indicators. So I apologize for that. I don't know how to fix or adjust that in OBS yet. This is my 5th video, so just bear with me. I keep making new improvements. I keep learning how to use OBS and Clipchamp, and hopefully it won't take me a year and a half to learn how to be a more entertaining and more educational YouTuber with perfectly running videos that people would enjoy watching. So if you're watching the video, you're watching some of the trades that I'm making. You'll see that my chart is a 3-month chart. I recently switched that from a 1-day chart to a 3-month chart because the whole purpose of the video is to show you that it is possible with time in the market and making reasonable purchases and not trying to guess the market, using indicators set up using the RSI, the MACD, and many multiple other factors and indicators that I have set up to decide to tell me whether or not that it's time to sell or purchase a particular equity. The way we all make money, we all being the regular Joes out here, the regular schlubs out here, the experts, doesn't matter how you are participating in the markets. If you're participating, the only way you make money is to buy low and sell high. That is the mantra that everybody lives by, and unfortunately, some people do not try to set up a particular strategy. They go in guessing. If you take enough time, watch plenty of those videos. There's thousands of videos online. Maybe you would include mine in your list of videos to watch. The difference between my video and thousands of other videos online is I'm not clickbait. I'm not pretending that you can make $5,000 in one trade. Many of these things say they make $5,000, $10,000 in one day, but in order to do that, you have to have either a really good luck on a particular equity, but the biggest thing you need is money. You've got to have a pretty big bankroll in order to have those type of returns. You've probably realized, like I did, when I first started watching those videos, it didn't take me long. I got in, I was super excited. I decided that I was going to do some trading, and with all of the videos that were available, my heart was pounding, my blood was pumping. I was super excited and stoked that I'm going to make some money. And maybe you've had the same feelings, but once you watch a few videos, you realize there's no way that this is happening. So maybe you've stumbled across my video and were just like me. You're a little disheartened, um, a little feeling a little down, being let down by the people in the videos, even though their information is somewhat useful. It certainly doesn't help. Didn't help me in my particular situation of not really having any money to work with. You are more than welcome to scrutinize these charts, like this particular chart of 3M is similar to many other charts. Most of my purchases are on the momentum of the upside. I make very few purchases when the price is going down. I do have some indicators set to let me know that it might be useful to purchase on the downside. I don't short a stock. Almost everything I do is longs. I do some shorts, but I just don't do them often. But like I said, if you take the time and pause the video and scrutinize my trades, you'll see that I'm making money. Sometimes it's $5, sometimes $10, sometimes 30 cents, sometimes less. But I've had trades that were hundreds and hundreds of dollars. It hasn't been easy. It's taken a lot of time and a lot of research to get here, but with time, I've been successful. So I only have $179 left, so this will be the last trade. As I said, I provide the complete list. So if you choose that you want to mimic my trades and possibly be as successful as I am being, then please make a copy of the list and scrutinize the trades. Keep in mind, I am not an expert. I'm just showing you how I'm able to make money every single day. The plan is to show you that I'm making money, and one way to prove that I'm making money is to show you every day how much I made for the day. And this is my realized gains for today and all of September to date. Now it looks like I haven't made a great deal of money due to the total losses, but keep in mind that the losses are an average. I I very rarely sell anything less than what I purchased it for. But today I changed over my sell side, which was currently at first in, first out. I've now changed it to last in, first out. So maybe tomorrow, or I don't know how long it'll take for the change to register. But if you choose to follow me, you don't need a great deal of money every week. Maybe every other week, throw in a little bit of money, and we can turn that into this. And it is fun, it is nice at the end of the week to be able to cash out and provide the money necessary to work our home.